So hello and welcome again. Now we have a new topic which is about power of language. So what is the power of language? Can you imagine what is the power? Okay, like what is the power behind the USA? What is the power behind our India? India is a developing country. Underdeveloping means it is still developing. You know, although the like Japan is considered as a developed country. China, Russia, USA, France, England, they are the developed countries, है ना? So what is the difference between the developed and underdeveloping, है ना? So this is based on their power of knowledges, how they used to handle their people, है ना? Many you can see that many of the scientists, those who are working in the NASA and many other the senior like Google CEO Sandeep Pichai, है ना? Surendra Pichai, they means they are Indian only, है ना? But they have to go to foreign countries to work there, है ना? To earn their living. Okay, so means we don't have the lack of knowledges, but we have the lack of administration here. Okay, so apart from that, we have a 13th chapter, that is the power of knowledge. So that power of knowledge we will discuss. So here some children are trying to communicate with each other using the signs and symbols, है ना? Making their hands. So what is that? You have to tell. Okay. So early human learn to communicate by gestures. मतलब जो positions बनाते थे वो हाथ से कुछ बताते, जैसे कहाँ क्या कर रहे हो, हम बोलते हैं ना दूर कोई होता है तो हाथ हिला देते हैं, that is gestures. बाय स्पीकिंग, बोल के जो भी बोल सकते थे उस टाइम पे, एंड बाय ड्राइंग देयर फीलिंग्स ऑन द वॉल, है ना? जैसे उन्होंने कोई एनिमल देखा तो उसकी वॉल पर पेंटिंग बना देते थे एंड सो ऑन. ओके, दे इन एंशिएंट टाइम नॉलेज वॉज पास्ड ओरली, ओरली ही बताते थे वो, है ना? लिख करके तो दे नहीं सकते थे, दे डोंट नो हाउ टू राइट. इट वॉज डिफ़िकल्ट टू कम्युनिकेट विथ मैनी पर्सन, दैट इज़ वाई, है ना? इसीलिए ये जो आज का डेवलपमेंट हुआ है, टुडे वी आर एबल टू रीड एंड राइट एवरीथिंग. Yes. So these are the sign and symbols which are from Egypt. Egypt, you know, the country where mummies came. Mummy तो देखी होगी सबने मूवी, है ना? Mummy, that dead body. Okay. So here is the Harappan seals. Seals are what? Like this is the book of my school. Then the school have put their seal here. Yes. This is the seal, है ना? So they have a marked. They put it in the ink and they just paste it in the book. Okay, so this is shield. So these are the various type of shield. Okay, this is like here you can see a yak in this. My means we can imagine that, or at that time they are well familiar with the yak, or they used to they use the transport medium with the help of yak, है ना? Like yoke wheel or cart wheel, like this. So after a long time the pictures were replaced by signs and symbols. After long time, after long so many of the years, those pictures were replaced by signs and symbols. The use of sign symbol helped in development of a script. अब बेटा script क्या कहलाती है? जैसे let me write my name. My name is Shubham Saxena. So this is Shubham in Hindi. I am writing it from left to right, है ना? Suppose I have to write my name in English, that is in Times New Roman script, so I will write it as this. But if I have to write it in Arabic, then it will be written something like this, है ना? Means from right to left. This is not exactly, please don't argue on that. So means I just have to tell कि Arabic language is written from right to left. Okay, Hindi means in Devanagari script. Hindi is written in Devanagari script. English is written in Roman, that is called Times New Roman. Okay, so they are written from left to right. So this is the system of script, है ना? Means suppose अब if I say how this is S and this is U, if I say no, this is P and this is T, can you believe? No, because there is certain a fixed thing that S, then S is represented by this letter only, this symbol only. Okay, so now today it is accepted worldwidely, and we have 26 letters of alphabet which are given by Syria. Okay, so here we have, yes, even today Chinese and Japanese, Koreans, based on signs and symbol, their language is based on sign and symbol, like this hashtag you can see in your mobile, like in this symbol, है ना. Many of the symbols were they used in this way. Okay, so these are the symbols of the Chinese language. Okay. After few hundred years, the pictorial symbol gave birth to letter and alphabet, है ना. And who were the first? So they were the Sumerians from Mesopotamia, those who gave the concept of, let me here, to develop a script. Okay, after that Syria was the first to give the system of alphabet, means from A to Z, है ना. And many languages are there, they use this language only. Like in Italia we can write A or A in this way, two dot about their, we can say that like जैसे अपने हिंदी में होती है ना खड़िया, छोटा का बड़ा का, in this way, है ना, छोटी की, in this way they have used this one. But A is written as A. Okay, in Greek it is written as alpha, B is written as beta. Okay, and it goes up to zeta, so alpha to zeta. Now the script and the seals of Indus Valley civilization has not been decoded yet. Decoded yet का मतलब होता है बेटा, suppose let me show you the Brahmi script here. Yes, this, है ना. We are unable to understand this, what is written here, है ना. But some of the experts are there who get the knowledge from very old persons, those who were the intelligent or agent or intelligent person of that time who knows about some of the word. So see, suppose there are 20 people, है ना. Someone knows the meaning of this one, some know this one, some know this one, so they together they can decode this, है ना. But the languages used in Indus Valley civilization is not being decoded yet, अभी तक, है ना. Yes, now the story of numbers. So you all know that what is the story of number. The early human needed to count the animals they hunted. Okay, they used to count with stick, stones and pebbles. This was a crude method and was not dependable. मतलब वो पत्थर से गिनते थे. जैसे मेरे पास, मैं क्या करता हूँ, let me suppose this is the chalk, है ना. I will break it into 6 pieces and I will count 1, 2, 3 in this way. So they don't know, but they know कि if suppose we have to race from here to here, है ना. Suppose there are 100 people, so they put 100 stones with them. If one passes from here to here, then they throw out one stone here, like this another stone, like this another stone, and so on. They used to count, है ना. But first of all, the Chinese used an abacus method to count the numbers, है ना. Abacus method is what? It is in this format, in this, है ना. So there are certain lines are there in which some of the balls are there in this way. They used to count with this way, and it is the short trick that is used is still in new time only, है ना. अभी भी इसको यूज़ किया जाता है, सिखाया जाता है. There people in different world had their own number of system of numbers. The Hindu-Arabic system is commonly used of system of numbers in the world, which is what, which is from 0 to 9, है ना. And 0, it is discovered by India only, and also the point decimal, है ना, that is called decimal. We write na 0.4 or 0.6. So this point system, decimal system, is given by India. Okay. Now the ancient Indian scholars have gave the concept of zero. What is zero? The Indian also developed the decimal system. The Arab called the Indian system of number as Hindsa. जो हमारा नंबर था ना, ये ज़ीरो से ना, इनको हिंदसा बोलते थे. ओके. नाउ yes, story of paper. What is paper? So beta, it is made by the tree which is called papyrus. Okay. So early human used to write on clay tables. Clay table मतलब मिट्टी की टेबल बना देते थे, like this board. This board is what? A clay table, है ना. If I will write it with the chalk, with the help of chalk. So the Chinese were probably the first to make paper. Yes, and one more thing is there. China ही पहला ऐसा देश है जिसने कागज़ के पैसे चलाए थे, रुपीस. इसको यान बोलते थे, येन. उनकी करेंसी है येन. ओके. सो तो वही थे जो पहले पेपर बनाया था उन्होंने. द वर्ड पेपर is derived from the term papyrus. Papyrus है ना. What is papyrus? Let me show you. It is a kind of reed. Reed means झाड़ियों type का है ना. Look here, you can see. Yes, this है ना. ये देखो, ये papyrus है. Okay. So grows in the delta of Nile River. Nile River, you all know what is Nile and Amazon River. The longest and the largest है ना. The two rivers are there. First is Amazon, second is Nile or Nile River. The ancient Egyptian made paper by cutting the reed into thin films for about 2500 years ago, means 400 BC, the time of Maurya's period. Okay. Now look, yes, they break the tree into a sheet, small, then they put it in the frame. After beating, it will get stick in here, है ना. So please do not waste papers. Still they are made up of that only. Do not waste papers, है ना. Try to write small but clearly in your copy. Okay. Yes. So now the story of printing. Yes, we know that here you can see the image. This is not the printed, but here the book that I have having, it is printed है ना. You can see both pages are printed. So what is the story behind this? How can we print? Once we don't know how to communicate with each other, now we have the printing techniques. So how is it possible? Let's understand. The ancient people used to write on clay tablets, that this board, oil palms, है ना, palm leaves, those are the biggest leaf at that time, so they write on that, etc. with the help of pen shaped tool, है ना. Not pen but pen shaped tool means, suppose, yes, the best example is आपने सबने मेहंदी की cones देखी हो, है ना. Like those cone, they cut it at the top at one tip and they used to press it from behind, and the cone, that henna is coming out of that cone, है ना, and we can make any design with that, है ना. It is the best example of that time. Okay. So earlier the books were copied and written by hand. It was a slow process and the books were very expensive. अब जब हाथ से लिखेंगे बेटा, तो एक बुक लिखने में you know how much time it will take, a month or 3 months, है ना. Then it will be costly. Okay. Chinese tried to print books in 5th century AD but were unsuccessful. वो print नहीं कर पाए. Then the first printing press was developed in Europe in the 15th century. By whom? By Johannes Gutenberg. Okay, he is the German, developed the printing press. Who developed the printing press? So the molds of letter, molds means, look, those letters, bunch of letters were called types. उनको क्या बोला जाता था? Types, like A to Z, है ना. इंक वॉज अप्लाइड ऑन मोल्ड्स. मोल्ड्स मीन्स जैसे सील होती है ना, सपोज ये सील है, इसके ऊपर ए बनाना है, तो ए कुछ ऐसा बन जाएगा बस, और अगल बगल से इसको खाली कर देते हैं, है ना, थोड़ा थोड़ा नीचे. तो जब हम इस पर इंक लगेगी तो सिर्फ ए पर इंक चिपकेगी, और ये क्या होगा, जैसे फिर हम इसको बुक्स में ऐसे चिपकाएंगे तो यहाँ पर ए बना जाएगा, है ना. दे आर पर मोल्ड, इनको हिंदी में बोलते हैं सांचा. ओके, सांचे. सो द फर्स्ट बुक प्रिंटेड इन दिस वे वॉज बाइबल, है ना. नाउ रिमेंबर कि बाइबल इज ऑल्सो प्रिंटेड एंड इट इज़ द फर्स्ट बुक विच इज़ प्रिंटेड. ओके. नाउ इट वॉज पॉसिबल टू मेक मोर कॉपीज ऑफ बुक इन लेस टाइम. नाउ हार्डली इट विल टेक 15 minutes टू प्रिंट this book, है ना. So he is the greatest of all time, that is Johannes Gutenberg, and this is his printing press. Okay. Yes, it is looking small but it covers the entire portion of the room. So here they are printing. Now look, the handle is rotating clockwise with the help of one single man, है ना, and the molds get the ink is spread on it and they used to print it with the help of that machine. Okay. So now the printing is lesser a cost. The quantity of printing has improved over a period of time. Now we have several printer, impact printer, non-impact printer, है ना. The printer like dot matrix printer का काम क्या होता है, जैसे उसको लिखना है लेसर, तो वो ऐसे लिखेगा LES इस तरीके से लेस, है ना. इम्पैक्ट प्रिंट, लेज़र प्रिंटर्स आर देयर, जो आपने फोटो कॉपी मशीन्स देखी है, दे आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ लेज़र प्रिंटर्स ओनली. सो नाउ दिस कंप्यूटर्स आर यूज फॉर टाइप सेटिंग एंड कलर प्रिंटिंग. ओके, सो यस, नाउ हियर यू हैव सीन अ इमेज दैट इज़ टाइप सेटिंग. आज हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको कैसा भी टेक्स्ट इधर से उधर कर सकते हैं, है ना. सो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ अ ब्रेल whose full name is Louis Braille. He developed a script, special script, when in 1825 it helped the blind to read. Blind to read मतलब वो खुद भी blind थे, I think. So suppose these dots are there, है ना. तो ये थोड़ा सा उभरे हुए ऊपर रहेंगे, जैसे ये है मार्कर. अब ऐसा मैं रख दूँ, अब मैं आँख बंद करके इसको देखूँ तो आई कैन रिकॉग्नाइज इट शेप, है ना. तो ऐसे ही उन्होंने ऐसे लेटर्स ड्रॉ किए प्रिंटिंग प्रेस से कि वो लेटर्स ऐसे छूने पर हमें पता चल जाता था कि ये ऐसा बना है तो ये ए होगा, ये ऐसा बना है तो ये बी होगा, है ना, इस तरीके से. तो इन दिस स्क्रिप्ट द लेटर ऑफ ईच वर्ड आर प्रिंटेड इन पैटर्न्स, इन पैटर्न्स ऑफ अ स्मॉल डॉट्स. दीज डॉट्स आर रेज्ड ऑन अ थिक पेपर, थोड़ा सा ऊपर रहती थी कि वी कैन टच देम. द ब्लाइंड पर्सन कैन रीड द डॉट्स बाय रनिंग देयर फिंगर्स ऑन देम. ओके, नाउअडेज बुक्स आर प्रिंटिंग यूजिंग ब्रेलेज स्क्रिप्ट. इसी को हम ब्रेले स्क्रिप्ट बोलते हैं, अभी भी चलता है ये, ठीक है. So here we have a true false. This you can do by yourself or just we can do. Yes. Devanagari script is used for writing Hindi. Absolutely true. The Arabs decimal, the Arab developed the decimal system. No, we the Indians developed the decimal system. Now Chinese were the first to make paper. Yes, they also used the first paper currency. Papyrus is a kind of flower. No, it is a reed. झाड़ियाँ है, फूल थोड़ी है papyrus. Okay. So rest you can do by yourself the exercise part, and if you are unable to do let me know. Thank you.